ॐ श्रीराम राम रघुनन्दन राम राम श्रीराम राम भरताग्रज राम राम श्रीराम राम रणकर्कश राम राम श्रीराम राम शरणं भव राम राम. Ramayana is not as long as Mahabharata. It is 1/4 of size of Mahabharata. The principal characters in Ramayana are few and the story is more focused. Valmiki has put in much more than words in the story. One has to read between lines to understand the emotions of the characters. Thankfully, there is a long list of commentaries available for us to understand the deeper meaning of text. Also, many later poets have tried their best to explain the intent of Valmiki. Practitioners of other art forms have internalized the spirit of Ramayana and have given us interesting take on characters and incidents. Totally, there is a wide variety of material available on Ramayana in various languages across the globe, which help us appreciate and enjoy the epic. There are few characters in Ramayana who play an important role but go completely missing after some time. It will be interesting to see how they could come back and influence the story at later time. First in this list is Shatrughna. Among the three brothers of Rama, he is the least familiar character to us in Ramayana. In fact, apart from his attempt to punish Manthara, there is no other direct reference to him at all. In Uttarakanda though, he gets some important role to play, but in the main narrative, he is completely missing. It would be interesting to see what kind of character he was and how he would be different from Rama, Bharata and Lakshmana. All the three brothers of Rama had a unique trait. We understand the importance of Lakshmana's service attitudes. We learn about Bharata's complete devotion to Rama. How different would Shatrughna be in his relationship with Rama? And it would also be interesting to note how was Shatrughna's relationship with Bharata vis-a-vis Lakshmana's relationship with Rama. It would have been a very interesting character study, but unfortunately, we do not get much opportunity to understand his character. Urmila, Mandovi and Shrutikirti, the sisters of Sita, also do not get anything to speak. Many would want to know the plight of Urmila, the wife of Lakshmana in particular. What would have she felt when Lakshmana decided to follow Rama? When she heard Sita is accompanying Rama, how would she felt? Was she ready to go with Lakshmana? How did Lakshmana console her? How did she spend her time in Ayodhya in the absence of her husband? What was her reaction when he came back? The sacrifice and the agony of Urmila is silent for us. Manthara and Shurpanaka both go missing after causing huge turmoil in Rama's life. There is no mention whatsoever about them. Some later poets have tried to bring these characters back into the narrative, but they don't sound natural. It would have been interesting to follow their fate through Valmiki's eyes. Vishwamitra, who lights up the first stage of Rama's life, goes completely missing in later parts. How would he react to the policy or palace politics which resulted in the exile of Rama is very interesting to speculate. Janaka is one more character whom we miss most. Knowing that he was well versed in the complexities of Dharma, it would be interesting to see his response to Rama's exile. How would he react to his daughter being subjected to multiple troubles? Would he take her along with him during the time of her crisis? These speculations are not answered by Valmiki. Of course, there must be a strong reason for Valmiki not to dwell more on these characters. Maybe there was no major interesting event happening with them, or maybe their role was limited to what he explained in the poem. But that does not stop us, the students of Ramayana, to imagine and wonder at the many possibilities the text provides us to rekindle our imagination. स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यां परिपालयन्तां न्यायेन मार्गेण महिं महिषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु.